Today I'll be showing you how to fix a bulb inside your bird cage, maybe for heating or for display or as a dim night light. First of all, you will be needing a fixed bulb holder. This is called a fixed bulb holder. It is of B22 type, B22 fixed bulb holder, easily available for around rupees 30 to 40 in any market near you. Then you'll be needing two zip ties, tie wrap, zip ties, cable ties, whatever you may call them. We'll be fixing this holder using these ties through here, and then we'll be needing a screwdriver. Fix the electrical wire inside this. This is the flathead screwdriver. Then you'll be needing a heavy duty wire stripper, also called a plas in Hindi, electrical tape, a bulb, incandescent bulb if you are looking to heat up your cage in winters. This is a 210 watt bulb. You can use a 100 watt bulb also, not an issue. Then you'll be needing scissors, then you'll be needing a wire. This is standard wire available here. This is rupees 8 per meter. Then you'll be needing a 2-pin plug. I have already placed the wire, fixed the wire inside the plug here by first stripping it and then attaching it to the screws. You will be able to do it yourself. It's pretty simple. See, I've stripped the wire beforehand to not make the video long, using this wire stripper. Then you just have to attach it inside this, the two here. So I'll show you after the final attachment. We will curl this around and then tilt it 180 degree and give it a slight curl like this. Already done here. Wires are curled. The wire inside the holding element. Be careful that this exposed wire must touch the metal parts inside, or else the circuit will not be completed. Tightening the screws. Make sure that the respective wires are not touching each other. The exposed part isn't touching each other. Then you can continue. Decided to open the switch and show you how to fix it. Just a minute.
It's really hard to do with one hand. Let's see. The wires are stripped ends of the wire are put inside this and the screws are tightened. As a simple, you'll be able to do it like this.
We'll now be using the zip ties to attach this bulb holder segment. So after a lot of effort, it's finally done. Now we'll just cut off the zip ties. We'll do it from inside.